Alright, those are all the Matchbox and Hot Wheels that I picked up in the last little bit. All the main lines anyways. I believe they're all main lines. There might be, no, these are all the mainline ones. I'm gonna open them up. Once upon a time I used to make videos for each car I opened on IG, Instagram. But now I only do that for like really high-end cars, so I end up doing these videos of me opening up these main lines. But yeah, no particular order. Let's do this. First one is a 1970 Ford Bronco. This one's messed up. The wheels. This one desperately needs a wheel swap. Put some nice mutters on that. That will look good. Alright, let's crack this open. I'll cut this open. It's actually not a bad casting. Honestly, it's not. It's nice looking casting. Nice details, you know. But these wheels, I don't even know what they were thinking. But yeah, whatever. All right, next. This is RX8 in red. It came out in black already. Hot Wheels did the Fast and the Furious RX8, that blue and black one, and Matchbox did their just their civilian style one, which is nice. It's nice to have a nice normal one, you know. Doesn't need to be something crazy. Ooh. Whoa, too far. All right, I forgot about this guy. We got this Porsche. We have this in also black, I believe, and then another color, maybe blue. Oh, almost cut my mat there. And blue too. I thought the white was nice. I really didn't need another color. I'm not like one of those guys that's like big on the color, on getting every color or anything like that. Especially with this car, it's just but it's a nice one. This white probably is the nicest looking one out of the three, so I thought, why not pick it up? Let's see if we can get it right beside the Bronco. Ready? Ooh! Pretty close, guys. That's pretty close. They're like pretty much right beside each other. I'm so proud of myself right now. All right, we got a 3 Series BMW wagon. I believe I purchased this in black to give away to somebody. And I don't know if I ever actually opened. Oh, we got 2 to throw out here. Listen for the drop. This is my channel. I can do whatever I want. Be as immature as I like. This is nice, guys. I like this. Matchbox, I'm telling you, it does a really, and this has brown interior too. Wow. Definitely needs some tint, but okay, let's see if we can get it right beside those two. Oh, way too hard. Oh, wow. Sorry, guys. Well, I don't even know why I'm apologizing, you guys. All right, so that was the Matchboxes. We're going to get to the Hot Wheels now. We'll stick with another wagon. This is RS2. Audi RS2. Avant. Beautiful wagons. I would totally... I'm a wagon guy, even though I never had a wagon. I'm a wagon guy. I love these things. I think they're just awesome looking. And they're so... You know, the older you get, the more you want, the more utility you want out of your car. You know what I mean? When you're younger, you can get away with having like a 2-door, 1-seater if you want, right? But when you're old and you got kids, this, that, they got all this stuff. Wagons are, oh, too hard. All right, we got this Cadillac GDP Hypercar. I've seen somebody online, I forget which social media outlet it is, but I seen him grab like a bunch of these. Like I guess it was his favorite car or something like that. It's okay to go ham on one casting you really like, or you're like kind of looking forward to seeing. This one's pretty nice. This has definitely that race car, that hypercar Look, kind of like that Bugatti. All right, put it in right in between the red and the white car there. Not even close. Let's try it one more time, I know we can do better. Woo! All right, so we got a Silverado. This is the EV variant. I don't think they're actually doing that well with the EV right now. The infrastructure isn't there. I don't want to talk too much about that stuff, but the infrastructure really isn't there for all of us to have it. So I don't know why they're making these mandates and these lines. They should be making them for them. The country should be making it for themselves to get all the infrastructure in. Don't worry about us switching over to these things, or that's I guess that's more for the manufacturer. But all right, we'll stick it right beside. We'll stick it beside the light blue one. Ready? Woo! Oh, it's on the card, but it is beside it. Lambo. I picked this up at the show. Actually, it's one of my pre-buys. I guess I didn't when this came out. When did it come out? This came out in 2020, so it could have been a moment in time where I decided not to collect. I took a break. Sometimes this stuff gets overwhelming, and you know what I mean, you need a little break, and then you come back stronger. But this Lambo was pretty sweet, and it's cool. You know, you come back, and there's all these castings that you end up finding, and ends up being a little bit more fun. You know. All right, let's just stick it right beside that red. Not even close, but it's out. It's over there. All right, I just seen this the other day, right on the pegs. 4Runner in blue. I have it in red already, and my buddy also did a awesome custom on this, and he gave it to me. Well, he didn't give it to me. We did a little trade, but he always hooks it up though, and he always does a fantastic job. So, you want to check that out? Go check it out on my Instagram page. If you're watching this on my Instagram, then you probably already seen it. But yeah, he did an awesome custom on this. This is nice. It's a nice blue though. The Hot Wheels one has the windows rolled down, and this one doesn't. I don't know which one I like better. The Hot Wheels one is a little bit bigger. This one is definitely a little bit more stock looking. The Hot Wheels one looks pretty stock too as well. The tire is just a little bit bigger or whatever. The stance or whatever they do to it. But yeah, it looks good. Alright guys. But that was too hard. Alright guys. That's what we picked up in the last, I'd probably say like 2 or 3 weeks. I don't really get out there much anymore. So when I do get out there, there's really nothing. It's one of those things, hunting, that you have to really be out there consistently, at a consistent time, a good consistent time. And hopefully you don't have any bad people, runners, or just people who are assholes, you know. Even though if you think you're tough, or you know, you can think you can deal with it, you personally, I don't even want to deal with negativity or bad people, especially for this hobby, because I just want to enjoy it. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, do all that stuff that you know, everybody else does, I guess. Alright guys. Alright, I'm talking too much. Peace.